Let me show you how I made these metal embossed ornaments. I picked all my favorite designs and made templates for you to use. I'm a cat lover and glad that I finally have unique cat ornaments to add to my handmade ornaments collection. My other favorite is the sun because you can use it all year round. Towards the end of this video, I'm showing you how to use disposable baking trays for a kid-friendly, affordable version since the standard metal edges are too sharp for kids and you need less strength for embossing them. I hope you love this craft as much as I do, and let's get started. Here you can see the tray version. I used a decoupage roller and the handles of my scissors to smooth out the surface before following the same steps that I showed you earlier. You can see that the aluminum cat looks just as great as the gold metal ornaments. I'm planning to make a garland of the moon, sun and stars for all your usage. I can picture them on my porch or patio. If you like this video, make sure to click the subscribe button and check out some of my other DIY and craft tutorials. Bye!